Kabit natin tong bagong mic dito sa Arai Tour Cross 3. This is how I do it. Meron tayong helmet donut. Nakasetup na yung cardo nito. Tanggalin natin yung cheek pad. To reveal the cardo speaker. JBL social. Kailangan natin ng masking tape. Yan yung harap ng speaker. Ito yung likod. Yung may wire. Patong natin dito sa gitna. Ayan. Dapat to may foam pa dito kasi baka masakit sa tenga. Tingnan natin. Check. Dapat talaga may foam yan. Saan tayo kukuha ng foam? Anyway, test muna natin kung mararamdaman sa tenga. Over this. Kaya gusto ko yung Arai eh. Ganda ng style niya sa paglagay ng cardo. Tsaka ang Arai walang mga clips na plastic, hindi tulad ng Showy. That's just my preference. Tapos itong mic didikit natin dito. Kailangan natin ng magic tape. Magic tape. Diyan ka muna. Latag muna natin to. Ito yung pull tab. Kailangan nakalabas. Pasok natin to sa loob. Dito yan, dito. Make sure na nakalabas to. Now we get the magic tape. We just need a little piece. Sa side na may nakakatusok. Tapos dito lang yan. Ayan. Hindi na yan matatanggal. Ito pasok natin dito. So may sobra ngayon. Tago. Just tuck it in the sides. Or we can just remove this again and just put it inside the liner. Okay, looks legit to me. Attach this very fragile mic adapter of the Insta360 ACEPro. Carefully connect. Check mic 1 2 mic check. Hey Cardo, battery status. All right. Play it back. Check mic 1 2 mic check. Hey Cardo, battery status.
Battery status full.
Then we mount the camera this way. Get the slack and just squeeze it in there. Alright, looks clean to me. Turn it on again. Mic check, testing 1 2. Mic check. Hey Cardo, battery status. Naka-off pala. This is an open visor check. Mic check. Closed visor mic check. 1 2. Loud. This is loud. Turn on the Cardo. Hello, mic check. Check, test.
Hello, Tech Talk, DMC, Intercom, mode.
Testing, mic check. Hey Cardo, battery status.
Battery status full.
Hey Cardo, battery status.
Battery status full.
Check mic. 1 2 testing. 1 2 3. Check mic. Hello. Tss. Mic check. Testing. 1 2 check. That's it. That's how you set up a vlogging microphone.